Eliam, Eliam, fire. Eliam, Eliam, fire. Eliam, Eliam, fire. Mighty winner, mighty winner, fire. Mighty winner, mighty winner, fire. Mighty winner, where are you? Mighty winner, fire. Was on Gabia, Agamabeji man. Was on Gabia, Agamabeji man, fire. Ejimamo, Ejimamo, fire. Mighty winner, fire. Mighty winner, where are you? Mighty winner, fire. Was on Gabia, Agamabeji man. Was on Gabia, Agamabeji man, fire. Bobeji mamo, Ejimamo, 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 Ejimamo. Kaipobe Ejimamo, 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 Ejimamo. Ikpumkpu, 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 cover. Ikpumkpu are banish, destroy, and cover negativities. They are Ikpumkpu, cover. All Akogheli forces, Akogheli, Akogheli negative forces, both physical and spiritual. Spiritual aspect causing problems, destroying lives and properties against the world, and their physical, some people possessed by Akogheli to carry out negative and bad missions and evil missions against the world. They are like their messengers, moving around, destroying lives and properties, and ASI, lies, LIES. Then Ighala, IGHALA, ASI, Ighala, false and fake. In all fire elements, worldwide, in all fire foundation, fire elements, causing problems, causing unnecessary fire burning in different places. From nowhere, fire start burning and destroying lives and properties because of Akogheli. AKOGHELI, Akogheli negative forces, to destroy them, and to cover all of them. And their groups, their messengers, green snakes eating under green grass, carrying out negative missions against the world in all foundations, in all places where they are hidden, to destroy all of them. And some of them are in their groups. All they care is to destroy. And they are in their group singing, burn them, throw away, burn them, throw away. Burn everybody and throw them away. That's all they care. Wherever they go, they regroup. You accept them. Then at your back, in your foundation, they are there singing, inviting negative forces and singing, burn them, throw away, like burn, to burn something. Then they are singing, burn them, throw away, burn them, throw away. To destroy all of them, where they base their science and technologies in all roads, in all foundations, in all water, in all ocean, wherever they are hidden, in all science and technologies, in all roads, in all forests, in all places, wildfires, different fires start burning, destroying lives and properties, destroying buildings, burn down buildings. To destroy all these Akogheli, I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitaculars, male dog, nkita, male dogs, obago, otinku chicken, 4 eagles, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And where they might struggle to rise again, or they build their altar against the world, in all countries worldwide, in USA, to destroy lives and properties, to burn down buildings, to burn down different places, to block these Akogheli and Ase and Ighala, Ase flies, Ighala, Ighala, false and fake, to block all of them, and they never rise again. Block all of them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitaculars, elbow, ngene, green, walls, all colors blocking. Chuku and Indo walls, all colors blocking. Uncountable rabbits, build physical and spiritual giant walls. Block all of them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And to cover them, to cover them, I use okay and I did the chicken, obolocha and oboloji, white and black chicks, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitaculars, ibu nkata ajaba skate rituals, capture all of them, all Akogheli, forces, negativities, acid, lies, Ighala, Ighala, false and fake in all countries, causing fires in fire elements, like their foundation, in rocks, in trees, wherever they go, they lay this foundation to manifest evil, and fire start burning. To cover them, I use them, I capture all of them, both with Ibu Nkata Ajabasket ritual. Capture all of them, bring them down, tie them, chain them, blind them, block, cover all of them and bury all of them in the north, in the south, in the east and in the west, and cover all of them. I say cease to exist, cease to exist, cease to exist. Leave all countries alone, worldwide. Leave Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. Leave the United States alone, in the north, in the south, in the east and the west. All be free. Prayer, and all worldwide. USA, skyrocket on top. Amaripata! Igwe! Prayer, transfer to all roads, all foundation, all places, in all buildings, all foundation, worldwide, in USA, and all skyrocket on top. Amaripata! Igwe! We skyrocket again. Prayer, all worldwide, USA. I carry all on my shoulder. We skyrocket, going infinity, going upward. Amanipata! Igwe! Chiefpriest, Peter Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chiefpriest world, Chiefpriest USA. Moving the world forward. No more wildfires. Be banished in the north, in the south, in the east. Transfer to all firefighters, to all fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Transfer there. Transfer to all buildings. No more fire. And all that might struggle to rise again. We use 22 33 uncooked eggs. Still come and terminate all of them. Oduduro, Otutun Konkoro, Oduduro, Otutun Konkoro. Be still and calm and terminate. So Maribi, say, lose.